That Mr. TV play that song, play the reggae music all night long. No one the time for not going away. Blessed love, this is Dwayne Stevenson from Augustown. You're tuned to That Mr. TV. So me I say, keep it locked. Rastas.
Respect and manners. Yes, nothing wrong with that. They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners.
We're in Moneague. This is the training camp where they train the soldiers.
Yeah.
JDF.
Yeah.
Jamaica Defence Force. So this is the training camp. You can see one of the, what's that, a tank?
Yeah. I'm okay.
Yeah. So we're going to go into the town centre of Moneague. We're actually on our way to Claremont, but we're going to stop off in Moneague. So is this it?
Yeah.
Just this?
Moneague's here.
This.
Yeah, this could be.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why I was expecting something a little bit bigger.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the police station and everything?
Yeah, over here.
Okay, so it's very small and quaint, isn't it?
Mm.
There's a couple of shops over there.
Yeah.
A couple people selling stuff there.
Oh
yeah. Police station.
Police station, I know it's right there.
There's always a bar.
Bar circle right around.
You know they say Jamaica has the most bars of any other country.
Police station, I don't think that's all.
Okay, I just thought it was going to be a little bigger.
No.
I thought it was going to be a bit bigger than this.
Just from right here to right
okay,
here.
And okay.
Right then it's something.
Remember the smile? Every parent want them children to go to Moneague Teachers College. And what are you coming up? Yeah, every parent would like them children to come to this place.
Yeah guys, one thing I do like to do is just get to know different places in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So sometimes you jump in your car, you just take a drive and you just drive some place that you drive some different roads that you've not driven before and get familiar with the place. Or sometimes like us going to Claremont, we just decide to take a different route. And for me to see some parts of like Moneague that I've never seen before.
Yeah.
Just get familiar, you know, especially when on a day when you really got much to do, you just jump in your car and just taking the sights and just taking the views and learn some different districts and stuff like that.
With a man like me, you know everything go. You know the crooks and crannies and the whole thing.
Yeah.
You scare around and make you so go on.
Definitely. What kind of soup is it?
Chicken foot, chicken like a red peas.
Okay, so we're in the grove.
Yeah, grove, right a grove. One thing I good enough, up on the street more time. Street food, you know.
Thank you. Yes.
Chicken foot soup, chicken leg, red peas, red soup on the street.
That's correct.
That me say. In a group.
Now two more people depend on me at the time.
Right, you depend on the soup, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to play a role, me love that.
When me know what I have to watch.
That's it.
That's why you play a role, man.
Yeah.
You play a role, man, because you know, as you say, you got to depend on it.
We do on Facebook, TikTok, everything.
Okay.
I say, yeah, move.
I mean the original soupy.
Original soup, yeah, group.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, that's why you name that Mr. TV.
Yeah.
You hear that?
Yeah.
So you got to see yourself out there.
Yeah, man. Don't live you up, man.
Good, man. Good, man. Don't worry about nothing, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Original Pochilo.
Man, see?
Otherwise, a soupy.
Soapy.
Yeah.
Right there.
Right there.
Alright.
Big up.
See you, sir.
Another prayer. Another prayer.
Take care. Yes, guys. So, soupy. Yeah.
Yeah, man. You get them good soup where they cook at your house. We put together the same soup you
I
get.
only got a small cup because I know I was going to taste that. Because that can be funny with soup sometimes.
Yeah, me know your things.
But it's nice, it's good.
Yeah, yes, man. Soup. Man say 60 years a week.
Yeah.
People depend on them from soup.
Me give it to Alfred for a drink of the man soup.
Yeah. Man, soup tastes good though.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, man, soup tastes
It
good,
does.
man.
I should have bought a cup.
I tell you, see that now.
Yeah.
Soup thing, it's always happen.
Yeah, always. It's always happens.
We're not sure and take a small cup and
Yeah.
take out the pot.
Yeah.
We make the taste. It's good.
Guys, I don't eat the chicken foot, you know, but I'll drink the soup and make him eat up the chicken foot.
Good.
I'll drink the soup.
Soup tastes flipping good.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
does.
man, tastes good.
Soupy at Grove.
Right at Grove.
6 days a week, man.
6 days a week across from the gas station.
Oh, okay. So
Welcome to Claremont.
Claremont. Alright guys, coming into the square now, Claremont. Big up anybody from Claremont, we're in your hometown.
Yeah, Claremont people, same time. Lisa Hannah there.
Lisa Hannah is the MP.
Yeah.
Even though this is her last term, isn't it really?
She do her thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, stop it. You know, say, most of the little town when you're going there, you have a little clock around there.
Yeah, that's true.
See there? When you're a small bend. Yeah, this one is small bend. It's a square of Claremont. Police station on the right. This one. Yeah, these things. Yeah.
Take a little drive through.
Yeah. Along the road or so. Market coming up on the left.
Okay.
Yeah, come on, market coming up on the left.
It's quite a quiet day today.
Yeah, the little town, yeah, you know.
No, usually when we pass, maybe we
yeah,
usually pass
weekend
on the
time
weekend.
pass. Yeah, not the evening, different thing.
Some markets there, but it's
No, market don't more.
oh, market don't know.
Yeah. Club and bars, barber shop on the upstairs or something.
Yeah.
The whole works.
Usually when I come,
Marketing or something.
market's there today.
Yeah.
And I'm going to, but usually
Later
when
on,
we
I
come,
even see soup man, you know.
oh yeah.
See there? Body, as long as I drink them soup and the whole works. See there?
Soup man. Soup guys. Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah. Wait, you want the medium?
Yeah. Big pot guys. Yeah, nice. What?
Soup like what you're cooking in your house, you know.
Did you see the big pot? Did you see the big pot on the fire?
Mm-hmm.
It does taste good though.
Big pot. I have enough people to feed it. I have a lot of people to feed.
I'll,
Pot of a big.
I'll eat the chicken neck, but I won't eat the chicken foot.
Yeah, my style.
Yeah, the chicken foot I'll just give to Outlaw. But
Yeah.
I'll drink off all the bits and pieces inside.
Yeah, so. So the chicken foot, I just work with the chicken on, you know.
I don't mind seeing the chicken foot in the soup, but I just won't eat it. That's it.
Yeah. And whatever soup it be, one for see it in there. Chicken foot or chicken foot. If a fish, one for see fish in there too. Yeah, if you don't see that, you don't need it, you know.
So coming out of Claremont now,
Yeah, we live in Claremont Square.
Claremont Square. Yeah, live in Claremont Square, and we're going towards is it Chalky Hill?
Yeah, we go back to Grove and go Chalky Hill.
Back through Grove and back through Chalky Hill. Alright, so we are back in Grove, making our way to Davistown,
Yeah.
then Chalky Hill, stay
Yeah.
at town, and then back on the flat into Ocean. So over there is the highway
Yeah, from Grove.
from Grove into the highway.
Yeah, we're from Grove. North Coast, Kingston, whatever you want to go.
Yeah, North-South Highway, Edward Siaga Highway. Alright, on the route to Davistown.
Yeah. So
There is a place, guys, I am hoping it is open. Oh my gosh, down the road that sells, who knows, they sell dumpling and saltfish. Fried dumpling and saltfish. Escovitch. Oh yeah, okay.
What is the scheme? Right
Okay.
inside. And the church, remember them church?
Oh yeah. This
The
is like
oldest
a-
church and
yeah.
that's Jamaica.
You know, this place sells dumpling and like saltfish, but with a pickle like escovitch in it, it's just the best. It's the best. I hope that they're open, because if they're open, I'm not gonna pass and not stop. All right, we're in Chalky Hill now.
Yeah, it is. Chalky over there. Close to the dumpling place. These are the about not too long.
It's very windy around here. We're on like top of the hill, going down, right?
The truck park up down there, so.
Yeah.
Dumpling them I buy.
Oh yeah. There's a dumpling shop right there. Right there.
Dumpling and saltfish. Where you go?
700.
Can't pass this place and not stop.
Make us know that now.
Cannot pass this place and not stop. Yeah. Chalky here. But look at the views. Look at the views. Look at this. Wow. See right into the sea. Over the hills and into the sea. Yeah. Beautiful, isn't it? Alright. Little dumpling shop now. Me and you in it?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, one's enough, isn't it? Just order one, right?
Yeah.
Look, guys. Guys, this is what dreams are made of. I ain't gonna lie. Like, there's no way I could have passed that place and not stop if it was open. At one point, we thought it was closed.
Where's the Chalky?
You know what? Everything I've done today for this,
yeah.
This is the highlight for me.
It's good, man. It's good like that.
Look here.
It's good like that.
This is saltfish. They soak the saltfish though, so it's not too salty.
Every chop man that take this road to the delivery in the countryside, stop right there for something.
Tell me this don't look good though.
You know, I have 100% or something up there.
So it's got chicken up there and it's got fish up there as well.
Yeah, but at this everybody stop for.
This is it.
That's fried dumpling and saltfish. Shot, man, shot like bullet.
Listen, guys, let's talk it right now, you know, because more eating right now. With the onion.
That is it.
Yeah, so good. So good.
Chalky.
Yo, people.
Yo, peeps. So I leave Chalky now for the dumpling, man. I come down here. You know, when you reach a little intersection here, you go right if you go around the old road. So we're not really go around the old road right now. I think we should go around there. I go down to the people in there. Supposed to there. See the Chalky? Something there. Yeah, so we're not going around the old road. I go down to the shorter part.
Good view though, right?
Yeah.
Look at the view coming down.
Yeah. You have a good view up here, man. So we're not going too far. Yeah, this is the view we have from Chalky. Going down to Steertown. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Highway run across the road right there.
Yeah, that's the highway I must say. Yeah,
That's the highway right there.
North Star Highway.
Yeah, my people, so we're going down to Steertown right now. Remember the corner, yeah? Many of you people about the place supposed to remember this corner. Very dangerous corner. Where no truck not supposed to come around here so because of this corner.
A big truck.
See truck coming up here and it's skid? Yeah. So this corner, a few months ago, a juice truck was coming on here and overturned right there.
Oh, was it here?
Right there, son.
Oh, and everybody have juice
at their house. People, you want to see people are moving juice. Yeah, I think everybody in the state don't catch Jandies with all these fitness. People live in a ramp moving juice them.
Beautiful view though.
Yeah, so this is the primary school.
Steertown Primary.
Yeah, Steertown Primary School. That is it. And across the free there is Steertown. Steertown, not an easy place, you know. Not an easy place.
I used to live here for a good couple of years.
Yeah, we see about the place.
He knows what's up.
Yeah, not easy at all. So it's a square. Steertown Square. We're going down the road now. Back to the main of Portugal.
So we're still in Steertown. Guess what this place is called? Not officially, but this is what the people call it. Hollywood.
Hollywood.
Now, does it look like Hollywood to you? Looks just like it, doesn't it?
So this place in Jamaica,
In Steertown.
where I live, yes, in Steertown. This place is called Hollywood. So right now we're currently driving through Hollywood. Going to Ocho Rios.
Yeah. This road takes you straight into Ocho Rios, right?
Yes.
Right very close from, was it Rio?
Yeah, Rio is across the road from this place. But this is Hollywood in Jamaica.
Alright guys. Now we're Steertown. Directly back on the flat. On the main road. You guys know exactly where I am.
Yeah. What of Hollywood?
Miami Bay. Right there.
What do you mean?
Down there is Rio.
Yeah, and the other one.
And then to the right, we've got back into Ocho Rios. Back on the flat, guys. Back in Ocho Rios. You guys know where we are now, right? Right ahead is the roundabout to the highway.
Yeah. Right at the whole food bay.
We still eating.
Mm.
I'm still eating my fried saltfish with the pickle and my dumpling.
Oh, starfish, you never know starfish, right? So you're not coming on?
What you hearing? The saltfish there.
Let's just tell you.
Alright guys, I think we're going to end out the vlog here. We're back in the flat, heading back home. So, hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Please watch some of the ads so we can earn a little bit of revenue from it. And until the next time,
Don't forget.
that was it.